Are you looking for the Kizer pocket knife? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 Kizer pocket knife on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kizer Nice Guy Pocket Folding Knife. The Kizer Nice Guy Pocket Folding Knife, V3011A4, is designed to be a compact and efficient knife for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and hikers. Here are the key features of this knife. Blade. It features a 2.84-inch Nitro V steel blade, known for its excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. Nitro V is a high-performance steel that balances ease of sharpening with durability, making it a solid choice for a variety of tasks. Handle. The handle is made of Rich Light, a lightweight and durable material. Rich Light is a sustainable composite material made from paper and resin, offering a comfortable and ergonomic grip for extended use. Locking mechanism. The knife has a liner lock, which provides secure blade deployment and ensures the blade stays locked in place when open, enhancing safety during use. Flipper mechanism. The knife is equipped with a flipper mechanism, making it quick and easy to open with one hand. It's ideal for users who need fast access to their blade in a variety of situations. Compact and lightweight. With its lightweight design, this knife is easy to carry and pocket-friendly. It's an excellent option for everyday carry, EDC, or as a backup utility knife for outdoor activities. This knife is designed with practicality in mind, combining functionality, durability, and comfort for outdoor adventures. Number 2. Kizer Sparrow Pocket Knife. The Kizer Sparrow Pocket Knife, V3628C1, is a small yet efficient EDC, everyday carry, and camping knife designed with practicality, durability, and style in mind. Here are the main features of this knife. Key features. Blade. Material. The knife features a 2.99-inch 154 cm steel blade, known for its excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. This makes the blade highly reliable for a variety of tasks, from cutting to slicing. Blade design. The blade is typically a drop point or spear point, making it versatile for both everyday tasks and outdoor activities such as camping and hunting. Handle. The black micarta handle provides an ergonomic, non-slip grip that is comfortable for extended use. Micarta is a composite material made from layers of linen, paper, or canvas, bonded with resin, known for its durability and strength in various environments. The handle also offers a refined and elegant look, making it ideal for a gentleman's carry as well as a practical outdoor tool. Locking mechanism. The liner lock provides a secure locking mechanism for the blade, ensuring it stays in place during use and offers a safe and reliable deployment and closure. Compact and lightweight. This knife is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it ideal for everyday carry, EDC, without taking up too much space. Its small size also makes it perfect for discreet carry and for those who prefer smaller knives. Flipper deployment. The flipper mechanism allows for fast, one-handed opening. This is especially useful for situations where quick blade deployment is necessary. Versatility. The Kizer Sparrow is well suited for a variety of tasks, including EDC, camping, hunting, and survival situations. Despite its small size, it is a capable and reliable tool for outdoor and everyday tasks. Summary. The Kizer Sparrow V3628C1 combines high-performance materials, a sleek design, and practical features, making it a great option for anyone in need of a compact, durable EDC knife with a touch of class. Whether you're using it for daily tasks or taking it on a camping or hiking trip, it is designed to offer reliability and ease of use. Number 3. Kizer Momo Pocket Folding Knife. The Kizer Momo Pocket Folding Knife, V4663M2, is a premium EDC, everyday carry knife designed for versatility, durability, and style. It's well suited for outdoor activities such as camping, hunting, survival, and hiking, as well as daily tasks. Here are the key features of this knife. Key features. Blade. Material. The knife features a 4.11-inch 14C28N steel blade. This steel is known for its excellent balance of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. It is a great choice for an all-around utility blade, offering sharpness and durability. Blade design. The blade is often designed with a drop point or clip point shape, which provides versatility for a wide range of cutting tasks, from slicing to precision cutting. Handle. The Damascus-patterned G10 handle not only looks stunning but also offers a solid and ergonomic grip. G10 is a highly durable and lightweight material that is resistant to impact, moisture, and temperature changes. The Damascus pattern gives the knife a unique and high-end look, while the G10 handle ensures comfort during use, even for extended periods. Locking mechanism. The liner lock or frame lock ensures the blade is securely locked in place during use. It provides reliable and safe blade deployment, preventing any accidental closures when the knife is in use. Deployment mechanism. The knife features a front flipper mechanism, making it easy to open with a simple push of your finger. The front flipper allows for quick, smooth one-handed deployment, which is especially useful in situations where you need to open the knife quickly. Versatile design. The compact size of the Kizer Momo, with a 4.11-inch blade, makes it ideal for EDC while still offering enough blade length for more substantial tasks. Whether you're using it for cutting rope, food prep, or outdoor activities, this knife is designed to handle a variety of situations. Multi-purpose use. The Kizer Momo is excellent for a wide range of outdoor and survival tasks, including hiking, camping, and hunting. It also makes a sharp, reliable tool for everyday tasks such as opening packages or cutting through materials. Summary. The Kizer Momo V4663M2 combines a stylish and ergonomic design with high-performance materials, making it a great choice for both men and women looking for a reliable, sharp, and visually striking EDC knife. With its 14C28N steel blade, Damascus G10 handle, and front flipper deployment, the Momo offers a premium feel while remaining highly functional for a variety of tasks. Whether you're using it for outdoor adventures or daily use, this knife will serve as a durable and reliable companion. Number 4. Kizer Feist Pocket Knife. The Kizer Feist Pocket Knife, V3499C3, is a compact and sleek EDC, everyday carry knife designed for both men and women who appreciate high-quality materials, ease of use, and an elegant design. Here are the key features of this knife. Key features. Blade. Material. The knife features a 2.8-inch 154 cm steel blade. This steel offers an excellent combination of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. 154 cm is a high-performance stainless steel, ideal for everyday tasks and outdoor use. Finish. The blade has a black stone-washed finish, which not only gives it a rugged, distressed look but also helps to hide scratches and maintain the knife's appearance during regular use. Handle. The handle is made of red denim micarta, which provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, even in wet conditions. Micarta is known for its durability and resistance to moisture and temperature changes. The red denim micarta gives the knife a unique aesthetic and is an attractive feature in the design, while still being practical and ergonomic for daily carry. Locking mechanism. The knife uses a liner lock mechanism, which secures the blade in place when open, ensuring safety during use. The liner lock is reliable and easy to operate, providing a solid, secure feel when handling the knife. Deployment mechanism. The front flipper mechanism allows for smooth and quick one-handed opening. It's ideal for users who need fast access to their blade without the need to deploy it using both hands, making it perfect for quick-use situations. Compact size. With a 2.8-inch blade, the Kizer Feist is a small folding knife that is easy to carry and pocket-friendly. It's an excellent choice for EDC, as it provides enough blade length for most tasks while maintaining a minimalistic and lightweight design. Versatility. Despite its compact size, the Kizer Feist is highly versatile and can handle a range of tasks, such as cutting, slicing, and even some light hunting duties. It's an ideal knife for users who need something sharp and efficient, but not too large. Summary. The Kizer Feist V3499C3 combines practicality and style in a small and functional EDC package. The 154 cm steel blade, red denim micarta handle, and front flipper deployment mechanism make it a reliable and easy-to-use knife for a variety of tasks. Its compact size makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, reliable, and stylish pocket knife that can handle everyday cutting tasks and more. Whether you're using it for everyday carry or as a small hunting knife, the Kizer Feist is a solid choice. Number 5. Kizer Drop Bear EDC Pocket Knife. The Kizer Drop Bear EDC Pocket Knife, V3619A2, is a high-quality, compact folding knife designed for everyday carry, EDC. Its unique design features, durable materials, and reliable functionality make it a great option for both men and women. Here are the key features of this knife. Key features. Blade. Material. The knife features a 2.98-inch Nitro V steel blade. Nitro V steel is known for its excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. This makes it an ideal choice for both everyday tasks and outdoor use, as it holds its edge well over time. Blade design. The blade is likely a drop point or clip point style, providing a versatile shape that excels in slicing, cutting, and precision tasks. Handle. The handle is made from PEI, polyaceramide, a strong, durable plastic that is lightweight and resistant to heat, chemicals, and wear. This gives the knife a sturdy, ergonomic grip without adding unnecessary weight. The handle's design is tailored for comfort, making it easy to use for extended periods. Locking mechanism. The clutch lock mechanism ensures a secure lockup when the blade is deployed. The clutch lock offers a solid feel and is easy to operate, allowing the user to securely open and close the blade with confidence. Deployment mechanism. The knife features a thumb stud opener, which allows for easy one-handed operation. The thumb stud is positioned for smooth, quick deployment, making it simple to open the blade quickly when needed. Compact and lightweight. With its 2.98-inch blade and lightweight construction, the Kizer Drop Bear is a compact and portable EDC knife. It's perfect for everyday carry and fits easily into your pocket without feeling bulky, while still offering a blade size that can handle a variety of tasks. Versatility. The Kizer Drop Bear is suitable for a wide range of activities, including everyday cutting tasks, light camping, and outdoor use. It's also a great knife for tactical and self-defense purposes due to its reliability and sturdy build. Gift-worthy. With its high-end materials and sleek design, the Kizer Drop Bear makes an excellent gift for knife enthusiasts or anyone who values a reliable, high-performance folding knife. Summary. The Kizer Drop Bear V3619A2 is an excellent EDC knife that offers a durable Nitro V steel blade, a comfortable PEI handle, and an easy-to-use clutch lock mechanism. Its compact size, thumb stud opener, and versatile design make it a reliable tool for a variety of tasks. Whether you're using it for daily carry, outdoor activities, or as a gift, the Kizer Drop Bear combines style, functionality, and high-quality craftsmanship.